Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, today I'll show you 6 ways to fix iPhone could not be restored, the device cannot be found error. Method 1. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery Tool. Step 1. Launch TunesKit. Connect the iPhone with your computer. Launch TunesKit. Click the Start button. Step 2. Choose Mode. Click the Standard mode and then the Next button to go to the next step. Step 3. Download firmware. Check the information which belongs to your iPhone and tap the Download button. You are downloading firmware. When it ends, click the blue Repair button and just wait for 1 or 2 minutes to get a fixed iPhone. Method 2. Check cable connection. Sometimes we may ignore the cables. A wrong or poor cable will also make mishaps to prevent iTunes from detecting your iPhone. So, you need to re-plug the cable or change a new one. Method 3. Force restart your iPhone. When something is wrong on iPhone, factory restart is the most common and effective method. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or the older ones, hold the power and home buttons at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Method 4. Update iTunes. An old version of iTunes may also cause the iPhone could not be restored, the device cannot be found error. So we need to update the iTunes to the latest version. Step 1. Launch iTunes and hit the Help option. Step 2. Click the Check for Updates and tap Install. When the iTunes has been updated, try to connect your iPhone to computer again. Method 5. If you have the latest version of iTunes, then you can try to put iPhone into recovery mode and then restore it using iTunes. Step 1. Open the latest iTunes and connect iPhone to PC. Step 2. Enter recovery mode by following the steps below. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Next, hold down the power button until the recovery mode screen occurs. For iPhone 7 Plus, keep holding the power and volume down buttons together until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, hold down the home and power buttons together. When the recovery mode screen occurs, release the buttons. Step 3. Click Restore iPhone. After iPhone is put in recovery mode, just following instructions of iTunes. Method 6. Turn to Apple support. If the above 5 methods can fix these issues, you have to contact Apple support staff to repair your iPhone. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.